Good day, I am Hero Wayne J. Campo, 37 years of age, from Oro City, Sultan Kudarat. I have 4 years experience as a butcher debooner up to present. Today, I'm going to show you how to debone a half carcass of swine. First, I use my homing steel to find my knife. Remove the left cards together with the kidney. This is the left card together with the kidney. Remove the tenderloin. This is the tenderloin. Now, let's proceed to the 3 primal cuts. The shoulder part, the middle part, which consists the loin in the belly, and the hind part. Let's proceed to the shoulder part. Cut the front leg together with the femur bone and remove it later. Remove the blood clots together with the defects. Remove the ribs together with the leg bone. This is the ribs together with the leg bone. Remove the excess fats. Separate the scapula and the femur bone. Remove the shoulder blade. This is the shoulder blade. Remove the femur bone. This is the front leg together with the femur bone. Let's proceed to the middle part. Remove the spare ribs together with the backbone. This is the spare ribs together with the backbone. Separate the belly and the loin. This is the loin and this is the belly. Now let's proceed to the hind part. Remove the hind leg. This is the hind leg. Remove the H-bone together with the heel bone. This is the H bone. Remove the femur bone.
Seconds.
This is the femur bone over the dumbbell.